Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about certain fats and what we want to look for. Now I got a couple examples here. We got organic coconut oil. Now what we want to look for is make sure that it's expeller pressed. Believe it or not, that's what is going to make the difference on either your how it processes and breaks down and the things we want to go ahead and introduce to our body. If you check the ingredients, it literally just says unrefined organic virgin coconut oil, and that's all it has. That's what we want to look for. We don't want any additives, preservatives. You see weird scientific names in there. It's steer clear. Usually when it says expeller pressed, that means it's good. All right. Now today we're also going to be making a protein shake made out of our good strawberries and our MCT oil. Now, MCT oil is rich in those unsaturated fats, those saturated fats that we need. So it's going to give you that boost of energy. You could also add some protein. I do recommend buying this brand since it's already carb and sugar free. All right. So let's go ahead and get started with this protein breakfast shake. So we're going to put in our strawberries. It's a handful of strawberries. So we add our strawberries in. We're going to go ahead and add MCT oil. This is what's going to make you feel full. It's going to give you that boost of brain power and energy for the body. Produce those ketones that we want. We could put in around 2 tablespoons. We can measure that in. Perfect. Now, you could go ahead and add your protein, your 1 scoop of protein, and just blend that up, all right? All right, y'all, so you could actually use our heavy whipping cream. It's going to add that extra fat and some flavor. You could also use unsweet almond, unsweet cocoa, or unsweet cashew. It's all based on preference. So let's go ahead and just add our cream in there. Alright, y'all, so this serving size is around 10 to 12 carbs. Keep that in mind, but it's impactful with all the, the fats that we just added. So it's going to boost those ketone productions. After that, just keep track of what you eat throughout the day. Now, this is an alternative for those people that are like, oh, I hate drinking or like eating all those eggs and bacon in the morning gets tiring. This is an alternative to go ahead and switch that out. Now, it has those fats, it has those proteins, so it's kind of like a meal replacement, and it's honestly really good.